Good morning, class 8. I welcome you for today's mathematics class. We shall start a new chapter on mensuration. So far, we have done chapters from mathematics from numbers, arithmetic, geometry, but we haven't touched any portion from this unit of mensuration. Okay, so we are starting a new chapter of mensuration. However, this chapter will not be given for your examination of second term. This will be given in your third term examination. Okay, and our concept of this chapter is to find out the area of a plane figure. A plane figure may be a rectangle, it may be a square, it may be a circle. Okay, now please look at this diagram. What is this? Yeah, you can see a big triangle is given out here, and this triangle has got a base. This is the base on which the triangle is landing, and there is a perpendicular height. This is called perpendicular height or height. In this diagram they have mentioned it as perpendicular height because after it has come from its height and it had touched the base here, the angle formed is 90 degree here. Can you see here? It is 90 degree. So that's why because of this 90 degree it is called a perpendicular height. Or else you can also read this diagram as area of a triangle equals to half into base into height. Normally this is how it is read as. Okay, now before I discuss further on this, have a look at these three triangles. There is a triangle, see, a green triangle, a blue triangle, and a pink triangle, but there are differences. A green triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if this is L, this is also L, this is also L, that means all the three sides are equivalent, it is same. Whereas an isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, L, L, and the base is different. But here the sides as well as the base are equal. And the third one is Scalene triangle, which you know all the three sides are totally different. It has got nothing common. Here two sides are common, one side is different, and here all the sides are common. Now here you have seen the topic given is perimeter. Perimeter means a triangle, whichever type of triangle it may be, either it is equilateral or it is isosceles or it is scalene. It has got three sides. The simplest way to do a perimeter is to add all the three sides. So this is the first side, this is the second side, and this is the third side. Either they have added or they have multiplied one side with 3, it is same thing. Okay, if this is 2 centimeter, then this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeters. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 centimeter. Either you can do it that way, or you can just multiply 2 and you can multiply it with 1, and like 3 into 2 is also 6. In the same way, for isosceles triangle also, 2 these sides you add and 1 base you add it. Okay, and for scalene triangle also it is simple. Add all the three sides, A side, B side, and C side. See, it is done out here. This is how perimeters are found, but their areas are different. Okay, now let us come to one more diagram. Now, in this diagram you see, in this diagram what is it given? They have given us here. First of all, you focus on this diagram. Here there is a triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. See, this side is 6 centimeter, this side is also 6 centimeter, and this side is also 6 centimeter. And perimeter is found out how? This 6 plus this 6 plus this 6. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18 meter. Sorry, it's not centimeter, it is meter. It's given in meter. In the same way, you can see here one scalene triangle is given. I'll go to my pen. I'll use a green color pen. Okay. Now a scalene triangle is given out here, and they have asked you to find out the perimeter. So how will you find out? Yeah, simple. The one of the side is 4, another side is 8, another side is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18 centimeter square. This is the, sorry, not square, it is only square. I will just remove this. It is only 18 centimeter, right? Hope it is clear. This is your perimeter of a scalene triangle, because scalene triangle has got three different sides. So now by now you know the concept. What is an equilateral triangle? It has got all the three sides equal. Scalene triangle has got all the three sides different. Okay, and we go back and we are supposed to find the area. Area means what is the total area, how when you travel from this end and when you travel this end and when you come back, what is the total area of the triangle. So from this diagram, let us move slightly ahead of this. Okay. Okay. Now see out here. This is your page number 213 from your exercise 19.1, which tells this is the question of your book of page number 213. What this is, find the area of a triangle whose base and height are given below. That means imagine this is a triangle and its base is also given and its height is also given. What is the base? 8 centimeter. That means this down area, this entire area is 8 centimeter and its height, this height is 15 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find out what is the area of this particular triangle whose base is given as 8 centimeter and height is given as 15 centimeter. So are we ready to do this? Okay, let us do it. Okay, so now what are we supposed to do? We know the formula. Formula is area equals to half into base into perpendicular height or into height. So I'll take out my area equals to half into base. My base is 8 centimeter into height. My height is 15 centimeter. Now what am I going to do? Since there is a fraction here 1 by 2 and there is a 8, I can cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now so my area will be 1 into 4 into 15, and there are 2 centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. I can write this one as square centimeter also. So now my area is area. Area is 1 4s are 4, 4 into 15 is 15 4s is 60 centimeter square. So you can see the area of this particular diagram, when the base is 8 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter, it comes as 60 centimeter square. Now similar type of question is given the next one, where the diagram I have kept it same, but the base is different, 22.5. Initially it was 8, now they have given us 22.5 and the height is given as 13.6. So the same technique is used out here. Area equals to half into base into height. Half into base is 24.5 and height is 13.6. Then you see 2 is the denominator, 2 is kept as denominator, and numerator is 1 into 24.5 into 13.6. When you multiply these two, simple multiplication, you will get 333.2. Now when you take this in rough and you divide it, you will get 166.6. This is the area of a triangle whose base is 24.5 and height is 13.6. Now there is another pattern, another question pattern. The diagram will be same. Height is given and the entire area of the triangle is given and the height is given, but the base is missing. It is question mark. So you will use the same formula. Height is given as 3 centimeters. See, the question is find the base of the triangle whose height is given as well as area is given. So we'll use the same formula. Area equals to half into base into height. So area equals to half into base into height. You can see out here. So my area is substituted with 7.2 because which is already given in the question. 7.2 equals to half is written as half. See, I don't have the base. I don't know the base. So I kept it base as b itself. And my height is 3. Since this is 1 by 2 is a fraction, I have made 1 as the denominator and 3 also I gave one denominator as 1. Now it is time for cross multiplication. Now see how it is done. B 3 1s are 3. 3 into b is 3b. And see here there is 1 actually. So we have crossed multiplied this way. So 7.2 into 2 is done out here and b is kept alone and this 3 goes down. So when you solve this, you will get 4.8 centimeter. This is the base. It is not the area. Now similar type of question is given the next one, where the height is given 2.4 centimeter and the area is given, the entire area of the triangle is given as 0.009 square kilometer. You are supposed to find out the base. This will be your homework for today. It is little bit tricky, but please try to do it. Along with that, you can also try the next question, that is question number 3 yourself. Till then, thank you children.